Top 5 foods that cause cancer and are proven to kill you. It is important to note that while certain foods may increase the risk of developing certain types of cancer if consumed in excess, a balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods can help reduce the risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Number 1. Processed meats. Processed meats, such as bacon, sausage, and deli meats, have been linked to an increased risk of colon cancer due to the presence of nitrates and nitrites, as well as the high levels of salt and fat. Number 2. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, such as soda, sports drinks, and sweetened tea or coffee, have been associated with an increased risk of certain cancers, including colon, pancreatic, and breast cancer due to the high sugar content in these beverages, which can lead to obesity and inflammation. Number 3. Red meat. Consuming large amounts of red meat, such as beef, pork, and lamb, has been linked to an increased risk of colon, pancreatic, and prostate cancer. Processed meats, such as bacon and sausage, have also been linked to an increased risk of colon cancer. Number 4. Fried and grilled foods. High-temperature cooking methods, such as frying and grilling, can create compounds known as heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons that may increase the risk of colon, prostate, and pancreatic cancer. Number 5. Alcohol. Consuming alcohol, especially in large amounts, has been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including breast, colon, liver, and esophageal cancer. Subscribe and like for more health and fitness tips.